Hi everyone. Today we are gonna find the nth Fibonacci number in Java. So, given a non-negative integer, your task is to find the nth Fibonacci number. So, from this we can understand that the input is an integer and the output is also an integer, which is the nth Fibonacci number. So, what is Fibonacci sequence? Fibonacci sequence is a sequence where the next term is the sum of the previous two terms. Let's see the Fibonacci sequence given here. Here the first element is 0 and the second element is 1. If we add the first and the second element, 0 plus 1, which is equal to the third element, that is also 1. And similarly, if we add the second element and the third element, we can get the fourth element. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And similarly, we need to do it for the others. So now let's try to implement this logic into code. First, let's declare a variable to store the first two numbers to find the third element. So let's take first variable is equal to 0 and then second variable is equal to 1, and let's declare the third variable also is also equal to 1. Now we need to put a condition, like if you can see here, like the Fibonacci number for 0 is 0 and Fibonacci number for 1 is also 1. So for so if n is less than or equal to 1, then we can return the same given number value, which is also the same. Okay, then we need to uh, loop the other n values, that is greater than 1, to find the nth Fibonacci number. So before that, we need to declare a variable to store the starting point. Like we already did find the values for 0 and 1, like the given number values for 0 and 1. So we need to start from the n value 2. So let's declare new variable as num, that is equal to 2, and let's use while loop to loop the process. If the condition inside the while loop, uh, the 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 declared variable 2, that is num, is less than or equal to the given number, then we can loop the code that is inside the while loop. If this condition satisfies, then we need to add both first and second element and store it in the third variable, and then we need to uh, change the first element as the second element, then second element as the third element, like here, like this is first and this is second. If we add these two, we can get the third, and this is the second element in the first addition, so we need to put it as first element in the second addition, and then this changes to the second, If we add this first element and the second element, we can get the third element. Like this, we will loop. Then finally, we need to increase the num variable, and then we need to return the third variable, which stores the nth Fibonacci number. Let's try to run this code. Yes, that's it. Thank you.